Hey guys, let's take a look at this Realme 2 Pro 4GB model which I bought it from Flipkart, which obviously means it is a retail unit and not a review unit. Not gonna waste a lot of time on the unboxing, but this is what you get as a customer when you buy from Flipkart. So that's pretty much it. So I got the black model because my default choice is black and it also blends in well with the back covers or even the tempered glass. So also you can see that there is already a pre-applied screen guard, which is pretty good. Now the first time I held it in my hand, it kind of felt cheap. I mean, especially the sides. I mean, the back is not that bad, it feels like a glass, but the sides really actually feel really cheap in the hand. Coming from a Redmi Note 5 Pro, or even if you use any metal phone, you will really notice this right away. The buttons don't inspire confidence. The overall feeling in hand is not that great, but this is the catch, or you may say the cost-cutting measure that they had to do, which is totally understandable. The good thing is you can use a back cover which is provided already, but you should definitely invest in a better case. On the brighter side of things, it has those killer looks. I mean, look at the display guys, it is so beautiful. For this price, this kind of design is unprecedented, and it is going to also set a benchmark which is really good. So you can see here guys all the details about this model, which is 4GB model, and you can also see other details like the Android version and the security patch, which is pretty latest as well, so that's good. And also the RAM details, which is really important. As you can see, the 4GB model has about 1.5GB, and there is almost a few apps, only few apps are running in the background, like Chrome and maybe a CPU Z and few other native apps. And I'm definitely going to cover the gaming and the performance review very soon, so stay tuned. Now the Color OS looks and feels like the grandparent of the MIUI or EMUI. I mean, the number of options and all these settings, they are so confusing that you at least need a few days in order to get acquainted with all the settings and options. I mean, if they had gone with the stock Android, that could have been just amazing. Now let me confess, I don't use face unlock at all, but just wanted to try out on this, and I was really blown away with the face unlock. I mean, it is just not that it is really fast, it just unlocks so fast even when the phone is lying on a table. I mean guys, my face is nowhere near the camera, it is not really facing the camera, but even at this angle it is able to do it so fast, which really impressed me. Now this is the only scenario where the face unlock becomes really important. Now coming from a Redmi Note 5 Pro, which is already a big phone, this phone feels slightly bigger. I mean, in terms of one hand usability, slightly difficult. I mean, it's not really big deal, but you're also getting almost 0.4 inches bigger screen, so that is definitely worth it. Now coming to the camera, there is the Pro mode or the manual mode. Basically, I'm not really sure what is the implementation of the camera to API here, but I don't really see this in a video mode, and definitely this is helpful for those who are into photography and stuff. And also in the video there is 4K, but I wish it had the 1080p 60 FPS, which is missing, and Snapdragon 660 is capable of that, so let's hope for that. So this phone definitely has those killer looks with premium design and also great performance with SD660 at this price point. It is definitely a great deal. But this was a quick unboxing and first look video, so we'll be covering more stuff on this phone, so stay subscribed and also like this video guys. Thank you for watching, I'll see you soon.